Okay, so starting off with the eyes, I'm taking this ColourPop eyeshadow in the color Girl Crush. The ColourPop logo is all worn off the front because I love this eyeshadow. And I'm taking this on a Real Techniques base shadow brush, but I'm just putting it on the tip. And I'm going to work this into my crease. Now I'm going in with ColourPop eyeshadow in the color Glow, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. I love this color. Now I'm going in with this MAC pigment in the color Vanilla, and I'm going to put that right where I put Glow. Next, I'm going to be going in with a combination of the color Naked from the Urban Decay Naked palette. And I'm going to mix that back with Girl Crush and then go back into the crease. Now I'm just taking this blending brush and I'm going to blend the heck out of this. Now I'm just going to take this fluffy crease kind of brush. I use all brushes for their complete wrong purposes, but then I'm taking the color Girl Crush again and I'm going to blend this down onto the very back part of the lid. Now I'm going to line my eyes with the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Now I am taking my Too Faced Born This Way. I'm going to put one pump of this onto this brush, which is a dupe for the Sigma F80. Now I'm going to take about half a pump more and just get into a couple areas where there's not as much because, as I'm sure you can tell, this foundation is darker than my natural face tone. But I'm tan right now, so I'm trying to match it to my neck. So, just gotta touch that up. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay concealer in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm going to put this under my eyes in a triangle. Now I'm going to set that with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm taking the middle shade, which is Banana. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm just going to take the shade Fawn, which is my favorite shade, and do some contouring. Now that I'm all done with the face makeup, I'm going to go back in with the Girl Crush eyeshadow from ColourPop. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, took the lid, on a flat definer brush and put it on under my lash line. So I just touched this and now there's like glitter all over me. What the heck? This is not a glittery mascara. I'm just going to take this mascara and apply a crap ton of it onto my eyelashes. Now for my lips, I'm just taking my foundation brush, this might sound really weird, and I'm just kind of going over the edges of them and just very briefly going over my lips with the extra foundation. Well, my lips have like a red line around them, and so it looks like I did a really crappy job of overlining them even when I'm like not overlining at all. So then I just do that. And now I'm taking the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in the color Double Happiness. This is literally my favorite lip gloss ever. It is the prettiest peach nude shade. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Yeah!